Okay, last video for this week. We are doing lesson 2-6, and now we're going to use absolute value to represent a polygon on the coordinate plane, and then we're going to use that information to find perimeter. Perimeter is the outside total. So our first one, we could figure out the absolute values of each of these and figure out the distance between them if we wanted to. You could think of A to B, they have the same Y value, and how far apart is -1 and -7. So from A to B could be 6 spaces apart. From B to C, they're sharing the X. So how far apart is 6 and a -3? Six and a -3 would be 9. Line CD is sharing the -3. So how far apart is -7 and -1? -6. And then we have to close up the loop with AD, and they're sharing -1. And so let's look at 6 and -3. It would also be 9. So look at that. Do you see any patterns there? So what kind of shape do you think it might be if we actually plot these? Let's see. -1, 6. So -1, 6. There's our A. B is -7, so we're going to go over 7 to the left because it's negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to go up 6. There's our B. C is -7, -3. So we're going to come over here, down 1, 2, 3. There's our C. And then lastly, we have -1, -3. Did you guess right? Did you guess that it was a rectangle? Good. And then if we looked at our absolute values, what do you notice? Did we do that correct too? Yay! I think we did. So then the last step for this would be to find the perimeter, which what do we do to find the perimeter? We're going to add all the sides up. So I've got 15 and 15 in my head, nice and neat, especially if you ever play cribbage. And then we have 30. Okay, so the perimeter of that square would be 30. You're going to have to really stop and read the problems carefully again, and use what you understand about your coordinate plane. Use graph paper. Those of you that like to draw yours and we get a little sloppy sometimes, that might make you a little frustrated. So use some graph paper. They have them free online, and I think Savas, you can pull up a tool and it will give you some graph paper too if you need. So good luck, and I will see you, I think, on Friday, and we can practice some more of these. Bye, everybody.